Okay, here is the first piece of screen up. Got my white stainless steel screws, evenly placed, symmetrically with everything, totally throughout. And this, tight like wallpaper. Just the perfect amount of tension and flatness, like you'll never get from a carpenter doing this. This is strictly for, well, it's green men, but definitely somebody that does carpet and wallpaper. This is very proud of that. All right, all of the metal framing is done. And it is kind of awkward and precarious doing this with 3 different ladders, but we're making it happen. Long, medium, and short. You got to be very careful when you're doing it because it's easy to poke a hole in the screen and then the expletives come out. Okay. Now that's gorgeous. Gorgeous. All the other metals are done. Oh, I went to the lumber yard and I found the material that matches the decking so we can make a beautiful threshold, because I think it's very obvious that I am super reluctant and plain just don't really want to cut into this deck unless I'm forced to. I'll do what I'm told, but I don't want to put a saw into this deck. That is just like sacrilege. Okay. Yeah, I'm proud of this. Another step in the journey. Took a while to put this one panel in, so I don't know. I'm gonna probably work on more tomorrow. But anyhow, this is also, you have to have your patience nice and fresh. You can't try rushing it or being frustrated. You got to be nice and fresh every time you go after it. Okay.